This is Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.com. Let's unbox the Fujifilm X-T30, which is a kit in this case which comes with a good 18-55 XF f2.8 lens. Let's see what we get. Open her up. Got a very neat package. We've got two manuals, one in Espanol and uno en inglés. That's one in English. Very good. What do we do here? We open this. That feels like accessories. Ah, here's our camera. Thank you very much. Okay, this one has not been sealed. This is a loaner I got, and it's been opened. Fuji usually puts a little seal sticker on here, which is easy to defeat, but considering it's not even there, I'm not going to worry about it. We've got a camera. I don't see anything else. This is a loaner. Oh, that's beautiful. It is a silver anthracite charcoal gray. That is very nice. I like that. And what have we got? What do we have in our little accessories box? Let us see. How do we even open this? It's a mental test. Here we go. Open her up. Ah, this is not accessories. This is the lens. Okay, this is beautiful. Ah, look at that. Oh, you see what they did? They put the lens in its own special box, which is here. Here's the lens and its hood. But then all the camera stuff is off to the side here when you get the kit. This is beautiful. What have we got? Okay, let's put the clowns back in the car here, so to speak. Okay, the first item is, this is, I don't know what this is. Let's open it up and find out. This is, oh my gosh, it's a tiny little, I don't know what this is. It's got USB on the input, and it's got what looks like, this is a twister for you guys. You know what this is? This is an international 5-volt USB adapter. It's going to have an international power plug that slide in here to make USB out here. This is something that's nifty to show your friends and use as a stumper, but honestly, I don't think anybody would ever use that. I'll just use whatever USB adapter I have handy. Here is the United States plug for that crazy adapter. This is fun. It's a brain tester here. Oh gosh, look at that. Here's the battery, carefully wrapped so it doesn't jungle around. It looks like I didn't get international adapters. Do I care? Not in the least. This is some little strap lugs and the crazy cockamamie protectors, leather protectors, and little tools that Fujifilm includes. I never use these. I simply keep them in the box till I get rid of the camera, and I use the, what was I saying? The original Leica strap, which I'll link to in my review. This is a USB cable. Is it USB-C? Yes, it's a USB-C cable. I'm going to presume that is for charging the camera. We've got a Fujifilm strap, which again, I never use these. I use Leica strap because it goes on and off the camera so easily. And I don't need to open this, but this is a lens. We've got the 18-55 lens and its little hood, and that's all we need to see. Thanks for watching Ken Rockwell, KenRockwell.com, KenRockwell.tv, and thanks for watching the official Fuji X-T30 unboxing.